There is a lie, ancient, shapeless, and inherited, that has distorted our intimacy, fractured our families, and silenced the sacred rhythm of the revolutionary power of Black love. It whispers through pulpits and politics, through trauma and tradition, convincing us that love is war, that dominance is dominion, and that Eden is forever lost. But what if Eden is not a place we left, but a rhythm we forgot? That goddamn Adam, the rhythm of the revolutionary power of Black love, is a lyrical reckoning and spiritual roadmap for those who feel the ache of disconnection and the call to restore. It is written for Black men and women seeking to understand the spiritual anatomy of Black love, its wounds, its wisdom, and its revolutionary power. It speaks to couples navigating emotional intimacy, to therapists and pastors guiding others through it, and to anyone ready to unlearn the myths that keep us from loving fully and freely. Through rhythmic cadence, cultural reflection, and emotional literacy, this book offers a sacred blueprint for returning to divine alignment. It invites readers to confront the lie, remember the rhythm, and reclaim Black love as a revolutionary force. One that liberates, restores, and reimagines Eden not as a lost paradise, but as a rhythm we must remember and a posture we can demonstrate. This is not just a metaphor. It's a calling. A call to reclaim the sacred posture of intimacy, identity, and divine alignment. To return to Black love, that is revolutionary. That goddamn Adam is intended for mature readers seeking spiritual clarity, emotional depth, and cultural restoration. For those learning to love while unlearning.